Hello everyone, this is Aditi Prajapati. In this video, I am going to talk about 5 different ways to learn English faster than usually. So I'm going to take a very different perspective in this video, and I will be telling 5 different ways and which can be very essential for you guys to learn this language, because this is going to be very easy. By these ways, if you will apply in your learning, in your everyday learning process, you will be amazed. The results will be amazing by using these kinds of strategies, and you will not only enjoy the process, but also you will improve your communication skills, and you will also learn English with this process, the ways, and it is going to be a lot more easier to learn this language if you are using these 5 different ways to learn faster. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's get started. Before going to the video, I want to give my little bit introduction. That is, I am Aditya Kumar and I come from a very small village of Uttar Pradesh, which is called Kutubpur, and I have completed all my education so far in Hindi medium background, and I have learned this language by myself by using YouTube and some tools, some YouTube channels. I have told all things on my videos, so watch those videos. Guys, if you like my videos, then definitely subscribe to my channel and watch this video till then, because it is going to be very helpful for you guys, because I'm going to tell 5 different ways, 5 very easy ways to learn English in a very enjoyable manner. So watch this video till then. If you like, please like it and subscribe to my channel and share to all your friends who are very close to you, so that they can also watch my videos. Okay, so guys, without wasting our time, let's get started and dive into the video at the end of the video, because it is going to be very essential for you to learn this language, guys. So guys, I'm going to tell number 1 is watch vlogs. Learn English through watching vlogs, because it is going to be a lot more easier to learn English through watching vlogs. Because if you are interested in watching vlogs, if you are interested in watching different parts of the world, that can be geographical area, that can be cultural area, that can be anything in the world. If you are interested in watching vlogs, because if when we are interested on something and we are learning very easily the things when we are interested on the particular thing, so through vlogs, English can be very easy to learn. So watch English vlogs, it can be very helpful for you to learn this language, guys. So believe me, when I started learning English, I also used to watch a lot in English language. I used to watch vlogs. Now when we are watching vlogs, we are not only learning the English language, but also enjoying the process. We are just watching natural topographies of the world. We are just watching, looking at mountains and natural things in the world, cultural things. So we are just enjoying the process. When we are enjoying, so learning can be very easy. Learning can be very easy. For making it easy, so please watch vlogs, watch English vlogs. This is my first easier way to learn, that is watch vlogs. Learn English through watching vlogs. This is going to be a lot more easier to learn English through watching vlogs. Please guys, do it. If you will do it, you will definitely be learning English in a very faster manner, and you will not be bored. And number 2, if you are interested in watching web series, English movies, so watch everything in English. So watch English dubbed movies. There are multiple Bollywood movies which has been dubbed in English language. You can watch those movies, and there are many Hollywood movies, and they are very amazing. They are very horrific. They are very adventurous movies. If you are interested, then definitely watch Hollywood movies. You are not only going to enjoy the process, you will learn a lot through this. Please watch movies if you are interested watching movies, so learn English through watching movies and web series. You will be learning very fast. This is my second tip that you have to follow, is watch everything in English. If you are interested watching in movies and web series, so watch only in English language. And number 3, if you are interested watching dances and songs and different magics, so you can watch America's Got Talent. It is a very interesting thing. It is a very interesting show. You can watch it. Guys, I have watched a lot videos of America Got Talent. This is an amazing stage. This is the biggest stage of the world, and you will enjoy the process. There are lots of, there are very big talented guys are coming in America's Got Talent. Like there are so big magician, comedian, dancer, singers are coming in America's Got Talent. You will not only enjoy the process, you will also learn the American accent, because it is a very enjoyable accent to learn. If you will enjoy the process, you will definitely be learning very soon. And if you are going to make it enjoyable process to learn, it is easier. It is a lot more easier to learn English language. So watch America's Got Talent. It is going to be very essential for you to learn this language. This is my number 3rd tip, that is watch America's Got Talent. So it is a very interesting show to watch, everybody. Guys, number 4, if you are interested watching speeches, listening to speeches, so just listen to TEDx YouTube channel speeches, because there are many successful guys, successful girls, men and women are going to give their speeches, because it is a big stage there. There are multiple subscribers have been there, and you can watch that YouTube channel. And if you are interested in knowing about the things, if you are interested watching successful people talks, so you can watch this YouTube channel TEDx. You can watch these speeches. You will not only learn English language, but also with that you will learn so many things by this. Successful people's talks can be very, very helpful for you to upgrade, to keep upgrading in your career, guys. So this is going to be very easier. So guys, the ultimate idea of the video is I want to give you something which can not only help you to learn English, but also with that you will enjoy the process. You will learn a lot. You will not only learning English, with that you are doing another things also. So this is what I want to tell in this video. This is going to be very helpful. Okay, so guys, this is number 4 tip that you have to do is watch speeches. TEDx YouTube channel, subscribe that channel and watch every day at least 2 or 3 speeches. You will learn a lot. Okay, and number 5, guys, if you are interested in workout, if you do everyday exercises, so watch English workouts, step by step, a guide who teaches in their videos. So watch English videos. From when I started learning English, I used to do workout. I have been working out since a year, little bit, but I'm continuously doing it. So I just watch English workout. Whenever I think that I have to listen to workout music, so I just listen to only English workout music, English motivational speeches, English songs, and English workout series in which the English man teaches us how to do workout videos. These kinds of videos, if you are watching every day, you are not only learning English language, but also you are doing workout. You are making your body, you are being healthy. With that you are learning English. So this is what I wanted to tell in this video. These 5 ways, these are 5 easy ways to learn English faster. If you are applying these 5 ways. At least one way you have to apply of these, guys, because it is going to be a lot more easier to learn English. I want to clarify in this video that if you will make English learning easy for you to learn this language, it will be very easy to learn. You will learn faster, guys. So watch these things. If you are interested in English learning, if you are a beginner, then definitely follow these things. If you will follow these things, you will definitely going to learn this language very soon and very easily. This is what the idea of this video. I wanted to talk about only these 5 things in this video. If you liked this video, if you are interested in this video, if you found something relevant for you two guys, so please subscribe to my channel and like the video and comment on the video so that I can have something. If you want to have something, another video on any other topic, if you want to make make another video on another topic, so please comment on my video so that I can make the videos on other different topics. Okay, and share to all your friends so that they can also watch my videos and they can also learn something from me. And I am not a big speaker. I am learning. I have been improving this language so far, because learning never ends, and I'm also improving. I am not a very well speaker. Okay, have a good day. We'll meet in another video. Bye bye.